focus பண்ணு. Hello everyone, I am Ashwin Kumar. This is my project. Focus. Integrated single point control of bulk material handling system in a cement plant using PLC. My project members are Vinod Kumar Guntala and D. Gautam. I am Ashwin Kumar. This is Vinod Kumar Guntala and D. Gautam. This is our final review. Actually, our project is basically a simulation project. So we are using the KingView software for showing the simulation. With this, we have added a kit. The kit is basically to explain the working, or show the working of the PLC program. Okay, next step. For seeing the simulation, we are using the KingView software. Computer full. KingView software. This is, you can see the KingView software. In this industry, that is our file for showing the simulation. This is page number 1. This is the first page of the program. This is switch to view. Then we are entering the demo mode. Picture open. Okay. Which one? Okay. This is our simulation. Since it is a SCADA, you can see the actual industrial component. These two you can see are the blenders. This is primary silo, dump truck, and the secondary silos. This is the switchboard. These two are the registers. However, these registers won't work because of the absence of actual Delta software, which cannot be given by the company because of the copyright issue. This is the second screen. This is the first screen. Okay, I will show you. First I am starting the first switch. You can see the material is dumped in the primary blender. In the primary blender, the material is crushed in the primary stage. You can see the material crushing, and after exactly 10 seconds, the secondary blender will be started. You can see the second blender will be started in exactly 10 seconds. Because the counter which we have kept is for 10 seconds, this material is started. So, the material, the second blender, second crusher material is getting stored, and eventually it goes to the primary silo. In the primary silo, the material gets stored temporarily, which we can store in our individual secondary silo, which I am showing you. See, the primary material, which is the limestone, it will take lot of space, so we are using 2 silos. The rest 2 is for any other additional metal for making the blended cements, which we want for the actual industry. Actually, in actual industry, there will be multiple silo for multiple equipments, but here we are showing only the 2 silos, just for simplicity. Then, this is the secondary valve which we are opening to send the material to the blending phase. Actually, the control which we are doing is material storage. The control which we are doing here is material storage, which will be blended in the secondary stage. Blended material will be sent to a kiln, where the material will be heated to obtain our required material. We can change the temperature in that stage. Then the material will be sent to the clinker cooling process, where it will be cooled, so that we can get the required raw material which we want. So in this way we can make the multiple products in the single plant. We can change everything in the plant from the single point. We can do everything from a single point. So this we are as I am showing, the blending phase occurs over here. See, on starting this, blender gets activated. This is the blender. You can see all the material comes over here. This is a blender, and what is all this are? Basically, this will be sending hot air into this, so the lighter materials will be pushed up, and here there will be an electrostatic precipitator which will be separating, and all the residues will be dumped over here. These residues, useful ones, will be going to the another stage of blender, and the useful material will be here. Here it will be mixed, and the waste material will be sent by the exhaust over here. You can see this is an exhaust fan. This is an actual exhaust, symbol of an actual exhaust fan, where the material will be sent over here. Then I am starting the furnace. See, this is a kiln. Since there is no module, we have made kiln like this. This is like a cylinder where this is fire. This is just to indicate the kiln we have put like this. And the kiln, I am starting the kiln. This is the first phase. That is, it is cooler in this stage. I can heat it by, see, this is secondary temperature and this is the tertiary. This is the most heated phase. So we are indicating by, here we can change the temperature. Actually we wanted to put the push switch, but since it is bit rate control, this is not possible, so we have added like this. And this is the cooling process, clinker cooling. The water, it will be cooled so that it can be cooled instantly or slowly depending on the material. This will happen. Then finally this is the secondary final storage. This goes to the packing stage. So as you can see, we are controlling the material storage, blending, pyroprocessing and clinker cooling. All the 4 operations are being controlled over here. This SCADA shows the working of our project. That's all.